Good morning, children. Hope that all of you are safe at home. I know that you all have become ready now to restart learning civics after a short break. The name of the lesson which we had started discussing is Role of Government in Health. Now let us discuss the second part of that lesson. We learned that India has a large number of doctors, clinics and hospitals. Our country also has a considerable experience and knowledge in running a public healthcare system effectively. This is a system of hospitals and healthcare centers run by the government. It has the ability to look after the health of large section of its population scattered over hundreds of thousands of villages. As you had studied, governments are spending lots of money for ensuring that poor people are getting free treatment. But then also, we are not able to provide proper healthcare facilities to many people. Our country has the money, knowledge, and people with experience, but cannot make necessary healthcare available to all. So, this is a situation of paradox. Patients take OPD card at OPD counter in hospitals. OPD means outpatient department. Doctors may suggest patients to go for different tests in hospitals, and whenever they go for tests they have to wait for long hours to do the test. And sometimes the hospital people who are working in hospital, they will suggest the patient to wait for hours or maybe to come back on another day to get the result. And whenever people are going to different counters in hospitals, they have to show their OPD card so that the people working in hospital will be able to take the file of the particular patient soon. So after all these testings are done, sometime doctor will say that he seems to be suffering from a kind of viral fever, so nothing is there to worry. So from all these things, what we understand is hospital is sometimes people feel it like a nice place, but they give so many medicines, and the whole thing costs a lot, quite lot for people. So sometimes poor people find it very difficult to get treatment from hospitals. You can see people standing in long queues in front of an OPD registration counter of a hospital. And next you will see people are waiting to get tests done or to get the results of the test in a hospital. Hope that all of you remember what you had learned about tax in class 6. Government uses money collected in the form of tax for providing many public services for the benefits of its citizens. Taxes fund developmental programs and services such as education, healthcare, employment, social welfare, vocational training, etc. Government provides some services especially for the poor who cannot afford to purchase them from the market. One example is healthcare. The public health service is a chain of health centers and hospitals run by the government. At the village level, there are health centers where there is usually a nurse and a village health worker. They are trained in dealing with common illness and work under the supervision of doctors at the primary health center. Such a center covers many villages in a rural area. At the district level is the district hospital that also supervises all health services. Large cities have many government hospitals, such as the one where Aman was taken in the story that you will read in the textbook, and also specialized government hospitals such as the one in Hakim Sheikh's story. The health service is called public due to many reasons. The government has established all these hospitals and health centers. Second reason behind calling health services public is the resources needed to run these services are obtained from the money that we, the public, pay to the government as taxes. You know, public health system is meant to provide quality healthcare services either free or at a very low cost. It tries to prevent the spread of diseases such as TB, malaria, cholera, etc. Hope that you all understood and enjoyed learning this module. Here are some questions for you. Please try to answer them. Write down the features of the public healthcare system in India. What do we mean by primary health centers? Write a brief note on primary health centers.